Today video I want to share with you is about generator starting issues, how to solve it. Let's go guys, watch me. This is the generator control panel. As you can see, there is an alarm. Even I reset it, the alarm's still showing. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you. I tried to start auto and manual, but still not starting, because the alarm's still there in the system. On this issue, you have to check in the engine harness, check the sensor's wiring for loose connection, or maybe some wire damage. Check the harness and all connections. Check the sensor's wiring for any loose connection or wiring damaged. Visually check the ECM wirings. Sometimes there is an issue on ECM harness or plug. You can remove the cover to see some wire cut near the plug. The most common causes of this problem is oil sensor or radiator coolant level sensor. Make sure all of the sensors are working properly. Yes, boom. As I told you, oil sensor or radiator coolant level sensor causing of this problem. After I repaired the broken wire, we will see if the alarm is gone. Let's check it now. Once battery switch on, clear the fault on the panel. Once all fault clear, you can start it. After all fault clear, then start it now with auto. Yes, it's work. Now my generator is working fine. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.